So what's up guys, I want to do a quick breakdown of my GPUSD trade this week. So as I have here is the insight. This was my insight and you can see it played out exactly as I expected. So let me just okay, let me take this away and clear my chart and show you how I anticipated a sell. So first of all, we'll go to the weekly time frame. I want to make this fast, so I'm not going to delay on any of this time frame because the main sale happened on the 1 hour, right? But it all started from the weekly, which I want to show you guys now. So now on the weekly, we have rejection of this buy side liquidity. We have rejection of this buy side liquidity. Price started rolling down. At the time I was looking to buy from here. I was looking to buy from a level here, but that didn't happen. On the open of that same week, price traded below, which changed my direction for more sales. So now I'm waste time on the weekly. That's all I want to show you here. So I'll go to the daily now. So this is when I was expecting buy from. I was expecting price from here, but price traded below, and after this break, I started anticipating sales, and then price started selling from this weekly open gap right here, from this weekly open gap, which is aligning with a key level. I didn't draw that well, but I'm sure you guys can see it, right? So let me just take it away. Everything happening here, and now the trade I'm trying to explain is the one that happened within this area, this sell candle here. So let me just go down to the 4 hours where I started seeing my setup. Now you guys can see the order flow, right? It's all bearish from this since February. It was bearish down to this level. So let me just show you guys what the business is all about. So now from this level, after this break, now you can see we took out this low. There is every so here, this every so here took out this low, even this. Right, so now this is the level that sponsors the sell, the whole sell. This level, this will be here, but yeah, I'm not going to be using this. I'll still be using key level. I was expecting this key level to hold. I was expecting this key level to hold because this is my nearest liquidity to it. As this liquidity level has been exhausted, right? So yeah, because I work more on liquidity than POIs or key levels. If this key level was still available, like this liquidity level here, I'll be looking for a key level that is around it and be using it for myself. But since this liquidity level has been exhausted, this was my next liquidity level, and I look for the nearest key level around it, which is this one. But you can see what price did. Price took out liquidity and started selling. What's this? So price took out liquidity and started selling. So yeah, I was able to frame my setup from the 30 minutes. Mind you, I was using Euro USD as correlation to the GU. I was using correlation, but I will be talking about that now because I can do all my explanation from here. So this is the 4 key levels. I'm going to just take this away. I'm going to take this away also, all of this. Now you can see after price take out this liquidity, you can see these cells. Then you can see under buys. Always trade. I only trade GU and EU, so they are my focus. And I took buys here. I took sells here. I took buys here, and these sells. Now, okay, here's our focus. After price took out this level, I was actually able to frame my buyers even before this shift happened. Even before this shift happened, I was able to frame my buyers that price is going to come here, take out this level and dump. I was already expecting a purge of liquidity here. And even if we go back to the 4 hours time frame, let me go back to the 4 hour time frame and show you what happened here. What happened here is also a purge of liquidity and price rejected below. So that was the same thing I was expecting to happen on the lower time frame, which was the 30 minutes where I was able to identify this setup. I knew that price is going to take liquidity. Price just moves from a level of liquidity to another level of liquidity. You can see this purge also. After price purge it, and when you can see it, so it's just liquidity to liquidity. When price take liquidity, it drives to another level of liquidity, take out something, then the next level of liquidity, and then next level of liquidity. So this was my target for this trade because I was expecting these levels to actually hold price to reverse and come for more sales. So I have my TP here, my first TP. So yeah, that was how I was able to frame the first buy, sorry, the first sell. We gave more than 1 to 5 weeks to reward. Yeah, I think this was my first TP. This was my first TP, but yeah, I was expecting this is the level to hold price for a reversal or a pullback. Yeah, a pullback, but price actually came down and took out this level before reversing. Took out this level, even yeah, it was coming from a price here before it started reversing. So after I saw the reversal, I knew price is going to come to a level here. I was looking at this level to hold price for more sales. To hold price for more sales. Price actually use this one. Let me go to the 1 hour. Sorry, I think my network is bad. Sorry about my network. I'm going to fix that now. yeah, now the key level is now more visible on the 1 hour. You can see that the key level is now more visible on the 1 hour. So let's go back to the 30 minutes, and yeah, this is how I was able to get the second cell setup. Now my entry was here. My entry was at the 30 minute key level. My stop loss here, and then I targeted the next level of invalidation, which was this imbalance right here. So I know that if anything would happen, this imbalance might also push price upwards. So yeah, that was my next target, which is 1 to 4 weeks to reward, and that was how I took my trade. Now GU is buying from another key level, which I think it's more visible on the 4 hour. Yeah, this key level. So that's it, guys. I'll be doing more videos. I'll be posting more videos on my strategy and the concept I trade. So do well to subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you.